Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to save high quality photo from YouTube video. This process is very simple. Take for instance, you are watching a YouTube video like this. Let me expand this. You watch this video on YouTube, but you like this particular environment, clean, perfect, and you want to get it. It's very simple. Just right click here, then on the same spot right click again. You're going to have something like this. Click on save video frame as, then click on this button. Once you've done that, it's going to bring a picture or a place like this. So let me save this to my download. You can name it anything. If possible, you may leave it the way it is. Then you may come to this place and choose all file. Now click on save button. Now let's close this page. Now let's go to download on our device. So here is the photo we've just downloaded. Let's open it. Let me open with Paint. So you can see this is the high quality photo. This is the high quality photo you've seen from YouTube. And that's all guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.